Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got a VIP for Wolf Tales. Let me know if you want me to keep using it or if I should act like I don't have it sometimes. Yeah, so I'll be doing a little hunting and then I'll be doing the next event. You'll be getting another video soon enough of me completing chapter 16 as a wolf. I'm getting close to chapter 30, so one chapter closer to getting the dragon. I'll just mute myself for now and let you watch for a little while until the event comes. And if you're curious of how I got VIP, I bought the moonstones. I normally don't have any money to use on games, but I did this time, so I did use it on Wolf Tales, and now I have VIP. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I'll just let you watch a while now. Yeah, I got a little distracted for a second. Just attacked air. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the event. Dragon Slayer. There's not really anything different about me in events. But, yeah, just talk. Is why not? So I've gotten a lot closer to completing this chapter for the wolves, so I'll probably be doing a video on it. Not too long, not too much. Not too long from now. Probably get it finished in like maybe like half an hour tops after this video is published. Yeah, yep. Anyway, I don't necessarily know why I really decided to make this video. I just thought it would be a little strange for me to be in the video where I'm finishing the chapter and then just be VIP and not explain anything. So, I'm here. I'm explaining it. Yeah. So, I do like this event, but but it goes by pretty quickly when you have all those like higher level people around you. I used to be 2 levels higher with my other wolf, but I'd rather have a fantasy wolf and have 4 slots than have a 2 level higher wolf with 3 slots. Don't know why the slots are so important. Just I'd rather have more abilities. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, that's it. Let's see. Yeah, I just basically ran straight in and tried to kill it. Oh my gosh, my health. I think I die here. I'm gonna die. Probably gonna die in like 3 seconds. Hold on. Or maybe not. Okay, now I'm gonna die. Yeah. That's probably not the smartest idea ever. Let's see. Dragon. I envy the people with dragons. I wish I had one. Yeah, I'm a big dragon fan. I mean, I'll wait my turn. Let's see. Oh, just another common wolf. Gotten so many. Moonstones. Yeah, I think I'm basically just gonna like end the video off here. Go back over to the spot where I normally end it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video.